Hello again guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Evelyn. I hope you're as excited as I am for this Christmas season. So today I'm going to be making this delicious potato recipe. Basically, these are just roasted potatoes that are then transferred into a delicious buttery garlic sauce, which adds unbelievable flavor to the potatoes. I can assure you that you're going to love this recipe, and it's so easy to make as well. This can serve as a perfect side dish for any grilled meat or fish of your choice, and it will also look great on your Christmas table. So let's get started. So as always, the recipe is so simple, and I've listed all the ingredients I'm going to be using in the description box for you, so you can check that out. So I have here 5 medium-sized potatoes that I have already peeled, and I cut each one into 4 pieces just like this, but you can cut yours however you want. It doesn't really matter what shape or size you cut yours. I'm also going to be using some chopped onions, some vegetable oil, some red chili flakes, some butter, some minced garlic, some curry powder, some paprika powder, some parsley flakes, and some salt. I'll begin by adding some salt to the potatoes and some vegetable oil. Then using my spatula, I'll mix thoroughly to combine. Here I have my baking tray that I already lined with some foil. I'm just pouring my potatoes on the baking tray, and I'll spread them apart with my spatula and place them in the oven to roast at 375 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes until they are cooked through and golden brown on the outside. So this is after about 35 minutes in the oven, and they are so crisp on the outside. Next, into my pan, I'll slowly melt some butter, and I'll add some vegetable oil, and I'll stir until it's completely melted. In goes some chopped onions, and I'll also add some minced garlic. Then I'll give everything a good stir, and I'll allow it to fry for about a minute or two on low heat. Now, if you're still watching, thank you so much, and if you haven't already, hit the like button. Please hit the like button down below, and also if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel with your notification bells on so you don't miss any of my amazing recipes. Next, we're going to be seasoning with a teaspoon each of curry powder, paprika powder, red chili flakes, and some parsley flakes. Then I'll stir and let everything cook for about a minute or two to give the flavors some time to marry. Now, the good thing about this recipe is that aside the butter and the garlic, you can use any other spices that you like. Next, I'll be adding the roasted potatoes. I'll stir until everything is perfectly coated. Then I'll give the potatoes about 2 minutes to cook on low heat so that they absorb all the flavors from the sauce. And after that, guys, our garlic butter potatoes are ready to be served. There you have it, guys. I'm sure you will agree with me that this recipe is super simple and will be a great addition to your Christmas lunch or dinner table or any special occasion you may have. And it pairs well with any meat, chicken or fish of your choice. And I must add, the flavor is out of this world. And I'll really love you guys to try it out and let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Until my next video, bye guys.